isGraph in C sees if a character is graphical. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of isGraph. We will have a char array of 3 characters, so chars square brackets 3 equals the array containing space tab and the letter A. Next, we will loop over these characters. For int I equals 0, I less than 3, I++. On each run loop, we will see if the given char is graphical. So, if isGraph of chars square brackets I, inside the if, we will do a printf statement that the character is graphical. If we actually ran this code, you would see that only A would get a printout from our if statement. That is because characters with an ASCII value between 0 and 32, as well as the character with ASCII code 127, are not considered graphical by the isGraph function. Like and subscribe to learn more.